All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video is another installment in the travel and leisure section. And today we're back at JFK for a taxi and takeoff, and that's coming up next. All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and it's time for another installment of the travel and leisure section here on the channel. And we're doing some plane spotting. We're back at JFK, and we're going to do a full taxi and takeoff with the beautiful views of New York City are coming your way. Flight plan has been submitted by the captain, and we're ready for takeoff. So sit back, relax, put your seat in whatever position you want. Buckle or unbuckle, it's all up to you on 640 AM Airways, and it's time for taxi and takeoff. We're also going to inject some tower audio, as only 640 AM The Mix can do it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. All right, there you have it. JFK International Airport in New York, a taxi and takeoff. It was a beautiful day in New York City, not a cloud in the sky. Perfect time to do some plane spotting here at JFK International. We did some taxi, we did some takeoff, and we also had a mystery aircraft there that was taxiing out on the runway. Comment below and tell us what you think of this mystery aircraft. But it's another edition here in the travel and leisure section. We're proud to bring you another episode of Plane Spotting. I really enjoy these videos. I find them relaxing just to watch the planes taxi, take off, and land. And on top of that, we inject tower audio as we can only do it here on 640 AM The Mix, courtesy of the Hanrangda HRD 737 little pocket radio. Picks up aviation band, perfect for plane spotting at any airport, especially JFK. All right, with that, comment below. Tell us about your plane spotting, and we'll catch you on the next video here on 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno, and so much more. Check out our channel and check out all the wide variety of topics we cover here on 640 AM The Mix. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you on the next video.